Hey, hello, how are you? Hope you're doing great. This video is obviously about adding an oil catch can to your Mustang GT. Something I think is a totally necessary first mod for almost any muscle car or sports car. In my case, I got the J&L Oil Catch Can by OSC, the Oil Separator Company. They use the term separator, but it is a catch can. The total cost was $169 for the single passenger side PCV catch can for the 2024 through 2026 Ford Mustang GT 5.0. I have a link in the description below for the J&L website. If you have other vehicles requiring an oil catch can like the Mustang EcoBoost, or if you need the dual or two catch cans for a supercharged engine, they will likely have it. They support Ford, Dodge, Toyota, and pretty much all other brands. Heck, I might even get one for my 2023 GR86. Why would you really need an oil catch can? The idea is that the recycling of fuel vapors, vaporized oil, water moisture, and combustion byproducts through the positive crankcase ventilation PCV system is designed to reduce emissions, but at the cost of the customer. The recycled products reduce fuel octane, which reduces mileage and performance, and it increases engine damage. A huge reason for enthusiasts is the loss of engine performance. You're burning a small flow of waste pushed into your gasoline feed. That reduces the effectiveness of the gasoline to burn properly inside your engine. The catch can will protect your engine and performance. The PCV products getting burned in your engine have a long list of possible negatives. Formation of sludge, reduced octane and causing misfires, carbon buildup on valves, fouled spark plugs, damage to catalytic converters, excessive oil consumption, sludge blocked passages. An oil catch can is the remedy. If you have a Ford GT with a 5.0-liter V8 Coyote engine where the oil pressure or RPMs can be high, which result in high crankcase pressures, there is a good chance for an increased amount of oil passed to the PCV system, particularly on the passenger side. Problems are more likely during spirited driving, or if you have high performance modifications such as cams, turbos, or a supercharger. You can avoid the need for an oil catch can by never running the engine hard before it reaches normal operating temperature and oil pressure. I watch my gauges when I know the GT is cold and wait as long as possible to drive harder until I see the oil pressure go down. I have a link in the description below that explains oil catch cans in much greater detail. Time for the install of the J&L catch can. This is extremely easy. The J&L videos are absolutely perfect, as is the installation document. Just follow the instructions that apply to your product and you will be fine. I took my GT to Yellow Jacket Garage to be worked on with Brian. The install took about 15 minutes. Well, because Brian and I reviewed the install videos a couple of times and I wanted to video my personal experience. The kit comes with the catch can connected to two hoses with fittings and a bracket and two screws. The only tools you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, perhaps with a magnetic tip, and a 10mm deep socket and ratchet. Removing the engine cover is extremely simple. There are 4 plugs on each inner corner. Gently pull up on each corner of the cover and it pops off easily. Fidgeting with the hose clips were my greatest fear. I'm very good at breaking things. The catch can is mounted on the screw next to the antifreeze tank. Use that 10mm deep socket to work on that. Remove the passenger side hose. Temporarily remove the driver's side hose. You pull out on the connector to release it. Getting the J&L hoses in place is exactly as shown in their video. Snake them around exactly as you were told. Bolt on the catch can and reinstall the driver's side hose. Replace the engine cover and you are done. I'm keeping the old passenger side PCV hose. We did a leak test by just running the engine until the engine oil pressure went down to normal. Here's one last look at the J&L catch can installed. Looks great. A little more information about the catch can. This particular one can hold 3 ounces. You are instructed to check the catch can every 1,000 miles or up to about 3,500 miles. And typically you might see about 1 ounce of fluid for every 1,000 miles depending on how hard you drive. I've only driven a few hundred miles slowly and already captured a little. This is a shot glass and I can tell it is more oil than anything else. I am very happy about this, knowing that this oil has not gotten into the intake and combustion chamber. Well worth the investment to me, and certainly a very required first mod for any performance car like my GT. Thanks a ton for watching. Please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. It helps tremendously. I hope this video has helped you decide if you want a catch can for your Mustang GT or other vehicles like my GR86. Have a great day. Please relax. Take it easy. Be a motoring fanatic on your Road Odyssey, and I will see you later. Bye.